a way to get ahead in life is to solve problems for people who are in positions ahead of where you are. So if you're at work, look down at the corner office, look at your boss, and figure out a problem that he's dealing with, a stress that he's dealing with, or she, and solve it. If you keep thinking that way, instead of being a little bit insecure, I don't want to step on any toes. I'm going to sit back. I'm going to do what I'm told. I'm going to do my work. I'm going to grind. I'm going to, get promoted when the seniority kicks in, and I've been here longer than anybody else who's willing to be here. It's just life's not going to give you what you want. You got to take it. Like you got to ask for what you want. So too many people go to work and they're either A, trying to just do the bare minimum to get paid next week and not get fired, or B, they think that loyalty and grinding and showing everybody how hard you can work is the way to get ahead when it's really not. You solve a big problem or a small problem for somebody in a position of power ahead of you, that will prove to them that you have potential and that you're worth investing in and that you could potentially manage people, you could get promoted. So I think a company is a very good place to learn how to be an entrepreneur, to learn how to manage, to learn how to delegate. You're doing it on somebody else's dime. There's no risk. When the big problems come, you can pass them up the chain. Most people do work for businesses, frankly, and that's a great place to be. But if you want to make real money and advance your career, look down the hall at your boss. Figure out what they're dealing with, what stresses they're dealing with, and go solve those problems. Take initiative. Don't just jump in and surprise them, but tell them what you want to do. Come to them with a plan. Tell them what you want to do, how you want to do it. Do that for a couple of years in a row, and you'll be really surprised at how far you can get in your career.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.